So I'm going to do today some floor exercises, core exercises, using what many people have these days, because they're probably working out from home, is a resistance tube with handles. I already have an attachment over there. And the exercises that we're going to do are side plank with row, R-O-W, I have trouble pronouncing that word sometimes, and a high plank pull under. Both exercises will get your core muscles. The high plank with the pull under is going to have more of a heavy focus on your deltoids and your rib cage muscles, your serratus, anterior. And obviously the side plank when I'm pulling is going to work your lats and your posterior chain and your oblique muscles. So let's jump right to it. So safety is always number one, eh? Safety number one, we need to have an anchor that's solid. So I actually have one band attached to some type of pipe in my attic, but it's not going to go anywhere. And I have here in front of me is a kettlebell, and it has a tube around it. So I'm going to position the kettlebell out of sight because I have to have enough space. I'm going to place it down. Now it's actually on my mat, so it's not going to slide. So if you did this like on a hardwood floor or something, it may slide. That being said, you just have to put some weights in front of it. So here's that high plank with pull under. So let me walk back a little. Here's your basic high plank ride, arms underneath shoulders, feet can be hip width apart. If need to be, it can be a little bit wider as long as your hips aren't high and you're not feeling your lower back. Here's the pull under. Watch my setup position. So my arm is slightly in front of my head. I already have tension. Try not to do this with socks. I pull under. That's one. Pull under, exhale, 3, 2, 1. 1 second, 3, 2, 1. 1 second. So you're probably watching me. My hips, you want to be very mindful that they don't externally rotate too much. Try to keep them facing the floor as much as possible. So that's exercise one. You're probably thinking, hey, how many reps? I would do like 10 to 15 reps. Or if you do 5 reps and you start to feel fatigued, then that's your new baseline. And you work up to 10 to 15 reps. So you want to get the most range of motion with that activity. So there you have it. Reach out if you have any questions, post your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.